My pets. I have a dog, a cat, and a hamster. I love them all. My dog's name is Snoopy. My cat's name is Whiskers. And my hamster's name is Nibble. Snoopy is playful and he likes bones. Whiskers sleeps in my bed. Nibble loves running in his wheel. They are all soft and furry. And now it's your turn to read this story. Okay, very good. And now let us answer some questions about the story that we read. Number one, how many pets are there? How many pets are there? Very good, there are three pets. Number two, what is the hamster's name? What is the hamster's name? Yes, very good. Nibble. The hamster's name is Nibble. Number three, who sleeps in the bed? Who sleeps in the bed? Right, Whiskers. What does Snoopy like? What does Snoopy like? Okay, Snoopy likes bones. Okay, and I hope that you learned from today's reading lesson. So once again, this is Teacher Yumi saying thank you and God bless, but please don't forget to subscribe.